all, we are working with base 7. They say we should add 6 in base 7 plus 2 in base 7. We should add 6 plus 2 give us 8. Now, how many times 7 will go into inside 8? It will go 1 time remainder 1. So we are stated in the remainder. So the remainder, we write it here. Everything in base 7. Then we take the number of times it goes to the other one. Then we are going to add that one to this one. How many times 7 will go into it? Because we say 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. How many times 7 will go into 8 is 1 time remainder 1. We write that remainder, take away the number of times to the other side and add it. So we are going to have 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. We are now on 9. How many times 7 will go into 9? It will go 1 time, remainder what? 2. So we are going to go, how many times 7 will go into 9? It's going to go 1 time, remainder 2. So in that remainder, we are going to write as our answer here will be 2. Then we now add the remainder to this side. So here now we are going to have 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5. This one is 5. Since it's not to be based, you will now write the answer. If here is 6, you write 6. Is that taken? You will add 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. How many times 7 can go into 8? 1 time, remainder 1, to write the remainder. We take the remainder to the other side and add it to the second column. 1 plus 4 give us 5. 5 plus 1 is 9. So how many times can 7 go into 9? It will go 1 time remainder. So we write the 2. Take the number of times to the other side, add it to the other number. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So the answer, when we add, the answer is what? 521 in base 7. Let's move to the other side. Here now we have 1 plus 4 give us 8. How many times can 8 go into 8? It is going to go 1 time, remainder 0. So we are going to write 0 here. The base is 8. Okay? Then we take the number of times it's going to go to the other side and add them. That is 1 plus 4 give us 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. This one is 6. We are going to write this 6 because the 6 is not equal to the base and is not greater to the base. Then yes, we are now on this one. Remember that here now we are 6. We are not carrying anything to the other side. Now 5 plus 3 will give us 8. How many times can 8 go into 8? It's going to go 0 times. Remainder 1. So here we are going to write 0, number of times. Since this one is the last number, we now write down 10. This is how to solve it. 1 plus 7 is 8. How many times can 8 go into 8? 1 time, remainder 0. Look at the remainder. Then we take the number of times to the other side. 1 plus 4 give us 5. Where do we get this one from? The number of times 8 is going to 8. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 is not equivalent to base and is not greater to the base. So any answer from 7 downward, we write it. For any answer from 8 upward, we count the number of times on the remainder. Here now we now have 5 plus 4 will give us 8. How many times can 8 go into 8? Because we are working with base 8, it goes what? 1 time, remainder 0. Look at the remainder, which is 0. And this one is the number of times it's going to go. Since it's the last column, we leave our answer like this. Okay, thank you. 20 what? 21 in base 4 plus what? 33 in base 4. So what we are going to do is we are interested in the remainder. When we say what? 1 plus 3 will give us 4. How many times 4, the base will enter what? 4. 4 is going to go into how many times? 1 time, remainder what? 0. So we are interested in the remainder. So we are going to put this 0 here. The 0 is based in base 4. Then the number of times is going to go, we add it to this side. We take it to this side. So now, what did I say? I say we are interested in the what? The remainder. And if our answer are start from 0 to 3, we give our answer. That if we say what? 1 plus 3, we have answer like 0. 1 to 3 is not equal to the base, we leave our answer like that. Then the next, we say that what? 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Now, how many times can 4 go into what? 3. 4 is going to 3 1 time, and the remainder is what? 2. 4 will go into what? 6 1 time, the remainder is 2. So we're going to write these 2. Then since here is the last number, then the remainder which is going to what? The number of times is going to go, we'll put it here. And what did I say? 1 plus 3 is 4. How many times can 4 go into 4? 4 is going to go into 4 one time, remainder 0. Look at the 0. Then the number of times, we move it to the other side to add it. Then we now have 1 plus 2 give us 3. 3 plus 3 will give us 6. Now the base we are talking about. How many times can 4, the base going to 6? It's going to go how many times? 1 time, remainder 2. Look at the remainder, the number of times. So it means 21 in base 4 plus 33 in base 4 is equal to 120 in base 4. Thank you. In this question, we are going to look at what subtraction of a number base. And in this question, we are mostly interested in what? In the base. We are asked to what? To subtract 21 in base 3 minus what? 02 in base 3. But remember that 1 minus 2 cannot go. So when we are borrowing 1, we are borrowing with respect to the base. So when we borrow 1 from here, and this one remain 1, that one that we borrow is equivalent to base, that is we have borrowed 3. So that 3, we are going to add that 3 to this number. That is, we are going to say what? 3 plus 1 will give us 4. Then now we are going to say 4 minus 2 will give us 2. Remember that when we borrow 1 from here, this one remain 1. Then we are going to say 1 minus 0 will give us what? 1. So our answer is equals to what? 12 in base 3. Remember that when we borrow with respect to the what? To the given base. If the base is 4 here, when we borrow 1 from here, we are borrowing 4. Don't forget to follow me. Thank you. Bye. In this video, we are asked to simplify what? 10 in base 2 all raised to power 2. This question is from what? Binary what? Number. So how do we solve it? Let's assume that when we have what? A raised to power 2. What does it mean? It means A times A. So that means 10 in base 2 all raised to power 2 should be equal to what? 10 in base 2, then 10 in base 2, meaning we are going to times them. And how do we times them? 0 times 0 will give us what? 0. 0 times 0 will give us what? 0. 1 times 0 is what? 0. And 1 times 1 is 1. Remember, we are working in base what? 2. Then we are going to add them. Then we have what? 0, 0, and 1. So it means that 10 in base 2 all raised to power 2 is equal to what? 100 in what? In base 2. Thank you. Now we're going to look at division of binary number. We're asked to divide 11111 in base 2 divided by 101 in base 2. We're going to follow up to 5 steps before we arrive at the final answer. Step 1 is for us to convert this number to base 10. And how do we do that? By saying 1 times 2. By using these 2 to multiply the number plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. The number is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we start putting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the next is for us to get another answer by having 1 times 7, 2 raised to power 7, that's 2 times 2 to 7 place to give us 128 plus 1 times, and 2 raised to power 6, 2 times 3 in 6 place to give us 64 plus 1 times 5 raised to power 2, that one will give us 32, then plus 1 times, and 2 in 4 places will give us 16 plus 1 times 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, this one will give us 8. Then we now have plus 1 times, this one will give us 4, plus 1 times, this one will give us 2, plus 1 times 1, because any number raised to power 0 is everything will be 255 in base 10. Okay, then we'll now do this to the other side again by saying 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2, that is 0. Here is 0 plus 1 times 2. So we start putting from 0, 1, and 2. This number you are seeing is the division side. So here we are going to have 1 times 4. Then this one now give us plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. Because any number raised to power 0 is 1. Then here now 1 times 4 give us 4. 4 plus 0. Then plus 1. And this and the answer will be what? 5 in base 10. So the next thing we are going to do is for us to divide this answer by this answer. That is, we are going to say 255 in base 10 divided by 5 in base 10. Okay? From there, this will cancel this. That we are going to divide everything. This one divided by this one, and our answer is going to be 51 in base 10. So we are done with this step, and that is not the end. We are moving to another step, which is we are going to convert that 51 in base 10 to base 2. So then we are going to convert 51 in base 10 to base 2. And how do we do that? That is the next step, which is what? Step 4. So for us to do that, it means that we are going to rule our line like this. Then we are going to put 51. We have our remainder here, and here is 2. So 51 divided by 2, that will give us 25.5. So we are going to write down 5, leave the 5. So now 2 times 25 is 50. Then 51 minus 50 will give us what? Remainder 1. The next is what? 25 divided by 2. I think it's going to give us 12.5. 12.5. So we're going to write 12. Okay. Then we now say 2 times 12 will give us 24. And 25 minus 24 is equals to 1. The next we'll now say what? 12 divided by 2. That is 6. Then we now say 2 times 6 is 12. And 12 minus 12 is 0. The next we say 6 divided by 2 will give us 3. Then 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 minus 6 is 0. The next we say 3 divided by 2, it's going to go 1 time. That's what? 1.5. We write the 1. Then 1 times 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. The next is 1 divided by 2 give us what? 0.5. So we're going to write the 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. So at this point, this is our final answer. Okay? And if we want to test the answer, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So we don't have much time. So the answer to this question is, we write our answer from the bottom to the top, 1, 1, 0, 0,